Hi, I'm Toby Jack, and this is Ask Advantage. When choosing building materials for your next home improvement project, the options can sometimes seem a little overwhelming. Whether you're creating a new outdoor entertainment space or enhancing an existing living environment, Advantage Lumber is here to answer all of your questions. From selection, through installation, to maintenance, ensuring years of lasting beauty and enjoyment from your investment. Naturally, there's many variables that go into choosing what might be right for you, but sometimes our raw materials come in and don't meet our expectations for our finished goal. Take Mark B, who wrote in from Naples, Florida, "My new Ipe decking was just delivered and it's green. Is that normal? I don't want a green deck." Actually, Mark, that's one of our most commonly asked questions, and it is completely normal. In fact, all milled lumber will have color variations, depending on the grain density, cut type, and moisture levels. In the case of Ipe, tighter growth rings and a denser grain will result in a board with more green coloration than a board from a tree with a slower growth pace. This is the natural condition of the wood, and not something to be concerned with. Left in the sun to age naturally, the wood will mellow into a uniform silver gray. Also, applying deck oil will provide your Ipe deck with a rich and even balanced coloration. To prove my point, I have a section of raw Ipe decking that has this green coloration going through it. Simply applying a coat of Deckwise Ipe oil to this sample, instantly changing the green to a deep bronzy rose color. So no worries, Mark. Your deck will turn out just like you envisioned it. If you have any questions regarding your next project, drop me a line on Facebook, and you could be featured next time on Ask Advantage. Until next time, I'm Toby Jack, asking you to discover the advantage of Advantage Lumber.